Okay.
What am I supposed to do? I don't understand this photography thing. I'm usually behind the camera. You're just waiting for me to
I'm
make a
waiting
face?
for you. Just smile. That's all.
My eyebrows go up every time because it's
Just stop talking. You can't talk during a picture. You're like an old woman that doesn't like taking pictures, so you talk a lot.
You still take
No,
pictures
it's
of me.
painful.
Calm down, Gina. Calm down, Gina.
There we go. All
Is
right.
my hair touching the floor?
No. Where are we?
Saguaro National Park, and we're going for a hike. Come enjoy.
Hello everyone and welcome back to Living the Tiny Dream. So here's what's been going on since we posted our last video. Our hard drive crashed. That's what happened. So while we are waiting for the tech people to recover all the in-between footage, today's episode will fast forward a few months and a state as we visit Saguaro National Park.
What's wrong?
There's a dog poop. There's a dog poop. Right where we parked it.
Where we parked it?
Uh-huh.
Where we parked it?
Where we parked. Where we parked.
Saguaro National Park is found in the Sonoran Desert of southern Arizona. Now it's broken up into two parts. You have Saguaro West, which is part of Tucson's Mountain District, and then you have Saguaro East, which is in Rincon Mountain District. So today we are visiting Saguaro West, and because the kids really aren't feeling like going on any hikes at all, we kept it light by touring the half-mile Desert Discovery Nature Trail. Now, the theme for today's video should be bribery. Why? Because the smiles you see here, they're not free. Let me explain. Living the Tiny Dream has really allowed us to explore more of the outdoors. But if we're completely honest, sometimes these kids need motivation to look away from screens and back at nature's free TV. So at the end of this complaint-free nature hike, they get a small prize for all they've learned along their walk.
Come walk to this thing, Sim. Come walk like you're gonna read this. Come.
I don't know how to read this.
As always, we ask that if you haven't yet, help us grow our channel by subscribing and make sure you tap the bell to be notified each time we post new content. Also, we really love hearing from our viewers, so let us know what you think by dropping a note in the comment section. He uses his beak to make his hole. Now, why does he do that?
Something to eat.
Yeah, something to eat, something to drink, and maybe he wants some shelter.
What's going on over here, buddy?
Well, I'm relaxing, being calm,
What? What do you know about being calm?
so I can concentrate.
Concentrate. What are you concentrating on?
Relaxing. Wait. Did we finish the hike? Finally, we're back!
Over the past year, we have learned a lot about traveling and visiting national parks. One of those things is to get yourself a national park pass. What you want to do is visit the nps.gov website. Under the passes section, you'll be able to find a link to locate all of the locations where you can purchase your annual pass. Now, this annual pass is just $80, but it covers all of the United States national parks, and it covers everybody in your vehicle. You'll thank me later. So we have wrapped up our hike at Saguaro National Park, and it was beautiful. The number of It was great learning about nature.
You were saying?
Quiet on the set, that's what I was saying. Simeon practiced his reading, which was great, and he was motivated to do so for a little while at least. Sanaa did excellent reading, practicing some bigger words that she's not really familiar with, so that was great. She did a good job kind of working out the sounds of those new words. But in general, I think we all... it's whatever, y'all. I think we all enjoyed this trip to Saguaro National Park. Thanks for watching.